Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Y'all come on in the shop and make yourself comfortable. We're going to do a shop update. So last week we uploaded the scoop video, which was a hit. Tons of folks, great feedback about how they enjoyed the video, about how that was going to be their very next project, and some of them even talking about that was one of the first projects they ever turned, and just staying the course, fully addicted to wood turning, okay? So the whole reason I do these videos really is to entertain you folks, to educate you, motivate you to get back in the shop. So when I get feedback that somebody enjoyed what I did and they want to get back out in the shop and make one, that makes it all worth doing, okay? So I did have some questions. One of them really had nothing to do with the wood turning, but yet one of our viewers saw what I was doing on the belt sander and said he had the exact same belt sander and he just had a tremendous amount of trouble tracking that belt. Well, it's been a long time, but over 40 years ago, I did some work as a millwright, and I just happened to be working in a chemical plant or fertilizer plant that had a lot of very long belts. So boy, did I ever learn how to track a belt. And one of the things that I learned is when you make an adjustment, stop and wait. It may take several minutes, even on something as small as a belt sander, for that adjustment to fully take effect and that belt to settle in. Biggest mistake a lot of people make is the belt's too far to this side, so they adjust it so it'll go to that side. Well, then it's too far to that side, so they'll adjust it to come back. The problem is they miss that middle ground. So if you've got such an issue as that, just take those adjustments very slow and let it run a few minutes. And I answered that gentleman's question on the comments, but if one person asked that question, there's probably many more out there that could use that advice. And so hopefully that helps one of you folks in getting one of these belt sanders. I know sometimes they can be a little bit of a booger to get them tracking just right. What is coming in the future? So I have had a ton of questions and things that I think I'm going to do a few more tips videos. One of the tips videos that's going to be coming up, and it'll probably be released this week, is on how to make the burning wires. And I will show you exactly how I make those, and hopefully that'll be beneficial to you. I've had a ton of questions on those. The other thing is, I found a shop blower that just works great in my shop. So many of the big blowers, you turn them on and oh my gosh, you got a dust cloud in your shop. But this particular style really works great for blowing off the lathe or even a finished cleanup, dusting everything off at the end of the day. So hopefully that one will help you guys as well. And then I've got some other turning videos, and really it just depends on which one that I get edited first. So that'll kind of be a surprise as to what comes out next. I've got several in the works, and I keep bumping into a little issue here and a little issue there, but we'll get one of those finished and get it up for you folks to see. I really can't thank you folks enough for watching, for subscribing and liking. It seems like just a couple of days ago, and it hasn't been long ago really, that I put up and did a mallet video for 500 subscribers. When I came out here a while ago, it was $6.99, so it very well may be 700 by now. And again, I am just so humbled that you folks will watch and actually subscribe and like and comment on my videos. I really appreciate that. And if there's something you'd like to see, let me know. I come up with these ideas and hope that the ideas and the things that I do will be something that will be beneficial to you. And I sincerely hope they are. However, if there's something that you'd like to see, please let me know. And I will try to make sure that that happens, okay? Okay, folks, I don't like to let these shop updates run very long, so thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.